Hey guys, Pastor Tanner here, Logos 10 Buying Guides, and we're here with the bronze level. Now, before we jump into that, I just want to say a few words. First, remember that we're trying to break all of these down by chapters, so check the timeline or the description below if you want to navigate just to a certain base package to see some of the highlights. Also, we're starting to get into those base packages that really are beginning to offer more commentaries. And I'm not always going to highlight the commentaries. I will if I feel like they're the primary thing to focus on in that package. But many times you're going to be getting a multi-volume commentary set, and I won't say words about it. So just double check before you purchase on the website to make sure it has the commentary sets that you're looking for. Not only that, I'm just going to be highlighting some specific resources that are focused on new users and existing users. And I want you to know that when I'm mentioning new and existing users, I'm just trying to highlight resources I think those users might be interested in. But the fact of the matter is, if you get that base package level, you're going to get all the resources. So don't worry about that. Let's go ahead and jump into the specific traditions, starting off with Standard Bronze. Standard Bronze is just rounding out an already good starter offering within the standard base packages. If you thought there were just too many holes in that base package, you might like Bronze. For new users, some of the resources to highlight: Bible Knowledge Commentary, fantastic one-volume resource. This is really going to help you get to the heart of the passage very quickly before diving in for deeper exegesis. Not only that, you're getting the Lexham Geographic commentaries. I really like these commentaries. I wish they had them for all the books of the Bible, but for the books of the Bible that are available, they're very, very cool to have. Also, Carta Jerusalem Atlas. Being offered here now with a Carta resource in standard is very nice. These resources have a lot of pictures and insights that you're not going to find in many other resources. So I'm really glad that you're getting a piece of the Carta library here. In fact, it's not just the Jerusalem Atlas that's being offered, but for existing owners, you're also getting the Carta Bible Atlas. This is a new introduction here, and I think you're going to like this for rounding out these specific pictures. Finally, we're getting a really nice offering here. This is the Thompson Chain Reference Library, and this is their way of implementing the Thompson Chain Reference Bible in Logos. We're going to have to do a separate video on how to utilize that resource to its fullest extent, but rest assured, if you love the Thompson Chain Reference system, now you can get the full thing in Logos, and you're going to love the integration. Moving on now to Anglican Bronze, and Anglican Bronze really doubled down on the Carta offerings. So if you want to do more archaeology research or history research, Anglican Bronze is right for you. For new purchasers, you're getting the Thistleton Companion to Theology. This is a really nice little companion to help you as you do your theological research. And then again, a lot of offerings for existing users. You're getting the Carta Atlas of the Biblical World. This is a huge one, and it's got a lot of cool insights in it. And you're also getting the abridged Theological Dictionary of the Old Testament. It's really nice to have that resource. Finally, for that archaeological bent, you're getting the Encyclopedia of Archaeological Excavation. This is a very unique resource, so make sure you want to go down this path if you're going to go with Anglican Bronze. All right, Baptist Bronze is focused in on Baptist history, especially in America. A lot of resources along those lines. For new purchasers, you're getting the Holman Commentary, 32 volumes, Old Testament and New Testament. This is going to become your commentary workhorse, so make sure you like this one. For existing users, you're getting the Baptist History in America 13-volume set. So if you're wanting to do a lot of Baptist research and study about the history of Baptists in America, this is the package for you. Not only that, but you're also getting the New Bible Dictionary. And I think this is a really good upgrade on the dictionary front for the Baptist base packages. So if you didn't like the dictionary that was offered in Starter, now you've got a really good one here in Bronze. All right, Lutheran Bronze is focused on the figure of Luther himself. So if you're interested in studying Martin Luther and his life, you're going to want this package. Lenski's 12-volume commentary is being offered here. So for existing users, this is a really solid multi-volume commentary set you're going to want to consult. And this next resource is why I say that this package is focused on the person of Luther himself. This is the Annotated Luther series, 6 volumes. Now, if you've read through Luther before, you know he's a voluminous writer. It's hard to read everything that Luther's written. And that's why I love the Annotated Luther series so much, because here you have experts highlighting his most important, his most influential and impactful works for you, and they're giving you some notes along with it so you can zero in on those specific details. Love this series, and if you want the Annotated Luther series, this is the package for you. For existing users, we're getting the Carta Bible Atlas, so another Carta entry here. I like that they're sprinkling these into all the base packages. And then not only that, a very interesting offering, Elwell and Buckwalter's Topical Analysis of the Bible. This is a very big book, and so if you want to do some more in-depth topical analysis, this this might be a resource that you're looking for. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into Messianic Jewish Bronze. For Messianic Jewish Bronze, you are focusing in on ancient context and the Pentateuch. So make sure you want to do study in each of those areas. For new purchasers, you're getting Singer's Jewish Encyclopedia. This is 12 volumes. Massive offering here, and it's what you would expect for a huge offering in the Messianic Jewish package. For existing users who are upgrading, Michael Karasek's Commentator's Bible is a very intriguing offering here. Multi-volume set. If you like this author, you like the Commentator's Bible, this is a really good way to pick it up. Also, that ancient context that you're getting a lot of details from is going to be out of Carta's Atlas of the Biblical World and the Carta Bible Atlas and the Jerusalem Atlas. So all these are being added in at this level to help give you that historical context. Methodist Wesleyan, I have one word: commentaries. That's the big offering at Methodist and Wesleyan Bronze. Now, for new purchasers, you're getting Alberto Sagan's Introduction to the Old Testament. This is a very nice offering that's been in the previous package, but this package has really been reworked on the commentary level. So existing owners, pay attention. We've got the Bible Speaks Today, the New Testament offering. This is 22 volumes. And not only that, you're also getting the Bible commentary in the Wesleyan tradition, 18 volumes. Both of these sets here in bronze. That is a lot of commentaries that are being offered in a bronze package. Very nice to see in Methodist and Wesleyan. You're also getting your own Carta entry. This is the Sacred Bridge, Carta's Atlas to the Biblical World. Pretty cool package here. All right, Orthodox Bronze is for you if you are interested specifically in the Orthodox history and Oxford's works associated with that. That's where much of your value is being tied up. New purchasers are really going to like the Erdman's Dictionary of the Bible. It's a good offering, and I'm glad that it's here. But what I was hinting at, existing owners upgrading, you are getting 16 volumes added out of the select works on Orthodox history. Very nice to see these here, and you're just going to have so much fun digging through the historical context here and getting a little bit more background. Pentecostal and Charismatic Bronze is focused on spirit-filled monographs. There are many works here that are targeted towards living a spirit-filled life. For new purchasers, you are getting the enhanced Brown Driver Briggs. This is a really good lexicon, and so I'm glad you're getting it. And for existing owners, those monographs are going to be what you're looking for. Several monographs that are new, focused in on spirit-filled living. I think you're going to like those very much. And also, for existing owners, you're getting the DBL. This is the Dictionary of Biblical Languages from Swanson. This is really great. These are some of my first go-tos when it comes to lexicons. So you get the Greek, you get the Hebrew, and you can go ahead and jump into each of those. Very nice to see. Now, Reformed Bronze is focused in on rounding out the commentary offerings here at this level. Previously, we got some good commentaries, but they were dated. Now we're trying to introduce a little bit more of a modern commentary offering. For new purchasers, this package has been almost completely reworked, okay? So I'm just going to jump straight into those existing users who are upgrading. Of course, new purchasers are getting all these resources as well. Layman's Bible Commentary. This is a multi-volume commentary set. It wasn't available previously in Logos. I believe they acquired this when they acquired Word Search, and this is a great multi-volume commentary set. Tremper Longman, I think, is the editor on it, and it's fantastic to see this in Logos because now you can get a little bit more modern commentary offering with still that Reformed emphasis. Not only that, Reformed Bronze is also having its own Carta offering as well, and in addition to this, Reformation Theology, a primer. This is very nice to get a little bit of a primer on Reformation theology. You can dig through that, and that's going to point you in the right direction for further study. Seventh-day Adventist Bronze, I have one name. That's the name of Ellen White. Now, if you're Seventh-day Adventist, you know the name of Ellen White, and you're probably looking for her works. Here they are. Look no further. They're right here in bronze. But this is where the majority of your value is tied up. So if you don't like Ellen White, you have no interest in SDA Bronze. New purchasers are going to enjoy the Bible Knowledge Commentary, great one-volume commentary, and also Swanson's DBL, Dictionary of Biblical Languages, Old Testament, New Testament, both here. So you're going to be able to dig into some of the original languages more clearly, but it's the collected writings of Ellen White that you're looking for here in SDA Bronze. Verbum Bronze is focused in on solid Catholic research. So if you're trying to dig in depth into some sort of Catholic topic, the encyclopedia that's being offered here is taking up a lot of the value, and it's going to be a workhorse for you. If you don't want that, you might want to pass on this package. For new purchasers, you're getting the Lexham Hebrew Bible. This is fantastic in order to dig into the original Hebrew a little bit more clearly. And also Aquinas' Summa in English. So if you're interested in the Summa and digging through Aquinas' works, this is a good place to pick that up. But existing owners upgrading, here's the resource you're looking for. This is the Catholic Encyclopedia, 15 volumes. This thing's a monster. And as you dig through it, you're just going to be able to do really in-depth research. So this is one of the primary reasons to pick up this package. Now, Eastern Rite is focused in on the same Catholic research with the same encyclopedic offering, but also some of the early church fathers are being included and focused in on as well. So you just have a little bit matter of emphasis here in terms of Eastern Rite versus Verbum. New purchasers are going to really like the Lexham Hebrew Bible to do that Hebrew research, but existing owners upgrading, they're going to love that Catholic Encyclopedia, 15 volumes, and they're also going to really like these selected monographs that are coming out from certain early church fathers. We're talking St. Maximus the Confessor, Ephraim the Syrian, etc. There's a lot being offered here. Look through those monographs and see if it's right for you. Ordinariate Bronze is focused in on rounding out your basic Logos tools and functions and letting you dabble a little bit with Aquinas and Augustine. New purchasers are really going to like the Erdman's Dictionary of the Bible. I mentioned that one previously. It's a really good staple at some of these lower levels. And not only that, we're also getting the abridged Theological Dictionary of the Old Testament. Fantastic. For existing owners upgrading, we are getting a very cool work at this level. This is Ludolf of Saxony's 4-volume Life of Jesus Christ. This thing is 3,300 pages. Really, really cool to see. And I love that it's being offered here in Logos 10. What Ludolf did is he actually took 60 authors prior to him, and he tried to summarize a lot of ideas and put together a pretty big devotional. It's part devotional, part commentary, etc. Really neat work that you could absolutely get lost in. I do want to highlight 2 academic base packages at this point, and that's because these 2 academic base packages are roughly at the price level that the bronze package is. This first one, Academic Essentials, is slightly lower at $499.99, and the one after that is slightly higher than bronze at $749.99, okay? So I want to highlight these for you. Now remember, the academic base packages have a feature set completely all their own. So if one of these packages interests you, you're going to want to check our introduction video to go ahead and see how it actually fleshes out the features and make sure you're getting what you need. For Academic Essentials, you're getting original language and research emphasis. That's the focus of Academic Essentials. You're getting the Septuagint with Logos Morphology. This is Ralph's. And you're getting a reverse interlinear Septuagint from McDaniel. So again, there's that focus on original language research. Not only that, you're also getting the abridged Theological Dictionary of the Old Testament from Bromley. Really good to be able to reference this. For existing owners who are upgrading, you're getting Klein's Concise Dictionary of Classical Hebrew. Very nice to see that here. And you're also getting an Old Testament and a New Testament Bible background commentary. Both of these are really good. Academic is focused on that research and focused on the text itself, so make sure that's what you want. Another bump up from this, Academic Standard at the $749.99 level, we've got the exegetical and word level deep study that you're looking for, okay? New purchasers are going to like the addition of the Dictionary of Classical Hebrew, 8 volumes from Klein's. Nice to see the full thing here. And then also the Exegetical Dictionary of the New Testament. Very cool to see that offering. For existing owners who are upgrading, you're going to get the Concise Greek-English Lexicon from Donker, and you're also going to get the Biblical Hebrew Reference Grammar. So some pretty cool resources. Okay, guys, that is it for my bronze review. Let me give you my best buy. I have got to give it to Methodist and Wesleyan. You're getting 2 massive multi-volume commentaries totaling over 40 volumes. That is huge. Really, if you want to dive into primarily commentaries, Methodist and Wesleyan Bronze is a really good place to do it. Runner-up, I've got to give it to Eastern Rite. I really like the 15-volume Monster Encyclopedia paired with the emphasis on the early church fathers. I like those quality monographs being offered, and I think you're going to enjoy them as well. Okay, guys, that is it for our bronze buying guide video. I hope that was helpful for you in terms of making your best purchase in Logos 10. Please check out our other videos if you're interested in other base packages or anything else that we put out here on the Pastor Tanner YouTube channel. Take care. God bless. Bye.